Stop scrolling and forget everything you know about AI. Because in 2026, artificial intelligence isn't just code on a server anymore. It just grew legs, and it's walking right out of the lab. Imagine the moment when the digital world collides with the physical, and machines built on superintelligent neural networks start moving among us. This isn't science fiction. It's the dawn of a new era, and everything you thought you knew about AI is about to change. Get ready, because the future is stepping into reality, and it's happening faster than anyone expected. We are officially entering the era of physical AI. And trust me, the real-world pilot programs happening right now will shock you. Across the globe, companies are moving beyond virtual assistants and chatbots. They're building intelligent machines that can see, move, and interact with the world just like we do. These aren't just experiments, they're massive pilot programs, and the results are nothing short of astonishing. The age of robots that can learn, adapt, and work in real environments is here. The question is if, but how fast this revolution will reshape our daily lives. Virtual AI was cute, but giving superintelligent neural networks a physical body, that changes the entire global economy forever. When AI steps out of the screen and into the world, it can take on jobs, solve problems, and interact with people in ways we've only dreamed of. This leap from digital to physical means industries from manufacturing to logistics are about to be transformed. The impact will be felt everywhere, from how products are made to how they're delivered and even how we live and work. The age of physical AI is not just an upgrade, it's a total game changer. Right now, massive global pilots are exploding. Take BMW, for example. They just deployed a humanoid robot named AEON in their giant German plant. This isn't a small test. AEON is working side by side with human employees, navigating the factory floor and learning new tasks on the fly. It's not just about automation, it's about intelligent collaboration. BMW's move signals a major shift in how factories operate, blending human expertise with robotic precision. The future of manufacturing is unfolding before our eyes, and AEON is leading the charge. This isn't a pre-programmed toy. AEON navigates autonomously, learns on the fly, and works right alongside human employees. Imagine a robot that doesn't just follow instructions, but adapts to new situations, solves unexpected problems, and collaborates with people in real time. AEON represents a new breed of intelligent machines, ones that can think, move, and interact with their environment. This leap in capability means robots are no longer confined to simple, repetitive tasks. They're becoming true partners in the workplace, making factories smarter and more efficient than ever. Wait until you hear this. Mercedes-Benz has Aptronix Apollo robot literally delivering materials on their active assembly lines. Picture a robot seamlessly moving through a bustling factory, carrying parts and supplies exactly where they're needed, right when they're needed. Apollo isn't just a showpiece. It's a working member of the team, making production faster and more reliable. This is what happens when advanced robotics meets real-world logistics. The result? A glimpse into the future of manufacturing, where robots and humans work side by side to build the cars of tomorrow. And Aptronix just raised a mind-blowing $520 million to scale this. The smartest money in the world is aggressively betting on hardware. Investors see the future, and it's physical AI, robots that can move, think, and work in the real world. This massive funding isn't just about building more robots. It's about accelerating innovation and bringing advanced machines into everyday life. The financial world is waking up to the potential of physical AI, and the race to dominate this new frontier is officially on. Even Amazon is going all in. They quietly bought up 2 massive physical AI startups in March alone. Amazon isn't just watching from the sidelines. They're making bold moves to secure their place in the future of robotics. By acquiring these startups, Amazon is positioning itself at the forefront of the physical AI revolution. They know what's coming, and they're preparing to lead the way as robots become an essential part of logistics, warehousing, and beyond. But the craziest part? There is an absolute, all-out robot war happening between China and Japan right now. Both countries are racing to dominate the global market for physical AI, pouring resources into research, development, and deployment. This competition isn't just about technology, it's about economic power and national pride. The stakes are sky-high, and the outcome will shape the future of industries worldwide. The physical AI revolution is moving at lightning speed. Hit save on this video, share it with someone whose mind needs blowing, and follow me so you don't get left behind.